she's finally back with Dil Bole Harippa. But while during her last release she was sitting pretty at the top, today she's far, far away from the Queen Bee throne. Hello and welcome to E! Now. I'm Janice Sequeira. So where exactly has Rani gone wrong with her career moves? Well, while sitting on a beach and lounging around, Rani tells all to Archita Kashyap.
Hi Rani.
Hi Archita, how are you?
I'm good, but it's really nice to see you. Apart from seeing you in the promos of Harippa, where have you been?
I've actually been right here only. We're right now in Juhu, and this is where I stay. So I've been practically and technically in Juhu only because I've been working on this film for about a year, and unfortunately because of the multiplex issue, this film got a little bit delayed. It was supposed to come out in April. So my gap would have been just probably a year, but now it's probably become 1.5 years because of the little gap. But I've been in Bombay, in my house, shooting for my film, getting ready for my film and preparing for my film because this movie needed a lot of preparation in terms of me learning how to play the sport because I haven't played cricket before, and I was sure that if I'm playing this cricketer in the movie, and India being a cricket-loving nation, I couldn't take a chance by not playing cricket, correctly.
Yeah.
So I had to go through this extensive training of about 6 months where I had to learn the game.
You never played gully cricket as a child?
No, because my brother was a big bully. He used to never let me play with the boys and his group. So whenever I used to come out, he used to be like, "Go in, what are you doing with the boys?" Toughest part, more than playing the game, I think it's walking with the pads on. I think that's the toughest thing. You should try it out. I was playing a cricketer. I had to lose that weight that I had because I had to look like a cricketer.
Is that why you've been staying a little away from the limelight?
Actually, I've never been in the limelight as such.
Consciously?
Yeah, because I don't kind of see it as a conscious decision now I need to be in the limelight because I don't really like attending parties. I don't like going out because, and unfortunately, fortunately, from the time my niece is born, 3 years back, I've just devoted all my time to her. So when I'm not working or when I'm not exercising or when I'm not with my friends, I'm only with her. I love to spend time with her. I would rather be at home and spend time with her than go out. I don't know, I think my mom keeps kind of firing me all the time because she's a very outgoing person. She's very social. She's an extrovert. So she hates this thing about me. She's like, "Why don't you go out?" And whenever I call my friends over for dinner, she's like, "Why don't you guys go out?" So she's the one who kind of pushes me to go out. And I don't know, my mom calls me ghar kude. There's some Bengali word that she uses on me. She feels that I'm this home worm. Like people are bookworms, I'm kind of a home worm. I feel really nice being at home, chilling out. I started working so early in my life that
you missed out the home part.
I know, I've missed out the home part, and I've just missed that relaxation part because I've been on the roll 24/7, and I just love being at home, and especially from the time I've shifted to my new house in Juhu. I've just enjoyed this house of mine, and it just gives me so much space because I made it the way I wanted it. It's kind of my dream home. So I love spending time at home and just being there, and I've done everything in my house. I have a home my movie, so I don't need to go to the cinemas to watch. So I've kind of made myself too comfortable at home. So unfortunately, especially this year and a half, because this movie took a lot of time out of me, plus I shifted into my new house. So it just kind of was a coincidence that I just didn't move out at all. I was just studio home.